Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today we will discuss about typecasting in Python. So you can see the idle here. You can see the idle. So first of all, you have to go to the file here and create new file here and take this to the center. So here, click on it and save as to the doc. You go to the documents and go to the Python programs and here save it as typecasting.py. So we have saved this file as typecasting.py. So I will give access equal to 5 int of 5 and y is equal to int of 3.587, something like this. And I will give z is equal to int of iron. So in this flower in the it's not iron. So a number you have to given a number. So I have given in the strings, right? So in the strings. So it has to convert into the integer. It has to convert into the integer. So print y, print z. So press F5 or you can click run and click on OK. See here, all these things are integers. All those things are integers. See here, I have given 3.87474, which means float, right? Which means a float. So, but we have converted that float into the integer as 3. And it is a string 456. But I have typecasted in such a way that I have converted the string into the integer. So this is how typecasting works in Python. And for example, a is equal to note of 5, b is equal to float of 6.56, and c is equal to float of consider 789. Consider 789. So now I'll print a, b, and c. So now we have typecasted the 5 into float, and as it is a float, so it is a print as it is as a float, and we have converted the string into the float. So click on run and run module and click on OK, save it. See here, all these things. So all these things were converted into the float. See, I have converted 8789.0. I've converted into the float, and I have converted this 6.56 as it is as a float, and I have converted this 5.5 as a float using 5.0 using typecasting float. Typecasting float. And I will convert now. D is equal to str of 56, and I is equal to str of, for example, give 7.987. F is equal to str of considered iron. So now print D E F. So click on run button here and click on run button. Click on OK. See, I have converted. So I have converted 56 as string and 7.98 8987 as string. So if you want to check it, you can do like this. So print type of E, type of E, and print type of E. So click on run and click on run module and click on OK. See here, you can see the string, right? So we have converted these things into a string data type. So we can see it. You can see it, whether it is converted into string or not. So that's it, friends. I hope you understand how you can use typecasting in Python. So if you find this video helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube. Or otherwise, you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.